Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Denise, and it's been a while now since I've painted in my handmade books. So this is a handmade art journal that I make in the fabric snippet journal class. Or I'll show you how I made this one. But this one's got a fabric back, lovely snippet side, piece of snippet coming down the front, fabric front, fun button, piece of lace, and then signatures inside of different papers. And this one's probably 3/4 of the way painted on the pages we could paint. And some of these are videos on the channel. Don't ask me which ones. They all run together for me now, so you just have to check back on the channel. But I thought we'd do a quick little flip through of what I've got in here. Some of these were a personal project from the Kate Rebecca Leach abstract watercolor class. So some of those are a few projects that I did, just personal projects in here. And then some of these might have been a project in a class. So this book is a little hodgepodge of fun stuff. And so I just thought, this is one of my favorites still. For some reason those colors just make me happy. And so I just thought we would take a little flip through before I get to a blank page and we paint on the blank page. Yeah, so super fun. I love all the differences. I love flipping through these. I will probably not paint the handmade papers because those they're pretty much like art in themselves. I could paint on them and I could cut them up and I could, add to them. I'm just not feeling it. I'm feeling like they're beautiful as they are, as separator pages and things that complement. I really love this one too. This is the Kissho Watercolors. Yeah, I just like how they complement the other pieces of art in here and act as a lovely little separators. So I don't think I'm going to do anything to those in this book. And you certainly could if you use different separator pages. You definitely could. But I like them as handmade papers. This is another one I love. Yeah, so I think that's all the painted pages in there. Oh yeah, that's about it. I'm kind of thinking, let's paint this page. Why not? Or I could start, yeah, let's paint that page. I don't remember even what that is. It's in a class. Or it's a bonus project or something somewhere. It's somewhere. It is somewhere out there. I don't even remember now what papers are in here, but it's a variety of papers. I think there's hot press and cold press in this book. I'm going to tape it off though. I want to just have two individual pieces of art, and so we're going to tape it off and have two individual pieces of art. And they may match and they may not when I'm done. We'll just have to see. But I was just inspired, just kind of feeling inspired today. Let's go ahead and pull the art journals back out. And I'll be honest, I made so many, I need to pull them out more. But did you know that people watch art videos in art journals less than they watch the ones where it's on an individual piece of paper? So then I got discouraged working in art journals because I'm like, well, people don't watch them when I have like a journal page that I've done, even though it's the same kind of art I might do on a big page. It's just kind of weird how that works out. Okay, I'm going to be using these watercolors, which I do tag in the Amazon shop, and that link's at the top of my favorites page, which I link under every video. These are the Kissho paints for Japanese painting Hornface Ayami ink 20 colors, and here's those that page that we did in a video or 2 or 10 back. I don't know where these will fall in the lineup, but this is our little samples. Kind of feeling like, since I'm next to this page, if I did something similar maybe, doesn't have to be exact, but I'm feeling like one of those ovally ones that we saw earlier, in maybe the same colors, maybe this 304 and 303, maybe with a bit of gold, and maybe a touch of maybe 320 possibly, and that'll pull that into this. I don't even remember what those were. I'm sure they were Masha's watercolors, but that's kind of where my mind is today. And I got my 1/2 inch oval wash, and I almost want to put the paint right here. So I think what I'm going to do, get out a piece of dry wax paper so that we don't get paint on a finished page that I really already like. How about that? Zoom in a tiny bit. Got some water. But I'm actually kind of excited that this might be, out of all the art journals that I made, this might be the first one that actually gets finished if we do a few more paintings in here. Whereas I've got some of them that are close, but none of them are like close enough to be called done. Just think that's fun how we do some of these. This is definitely a hot press paper. I do not like the hot press paper as much as I like the cold press paper. It's just not the same. It is just not the same. And I could come in, I've got my Kuretake Gold mica ink over here. And I shook it up, and I could just kind of come in here and throw some gold in here, and let's get some shimmer, because one of those Kissho ones that we passed had some lovely shimmer in it, and I thought, ooh, that might be fun. So just thought I'd do some of that. It's got bubbles, I don't even worry about it. They'll pop and kind of do their thing. Let's see what this little bit of orange, is that too much? I'm kind of liking it, actually. That might be too much down there, but I'm kind of liking this pretty color in there. It does kind of remind me of that page that we're next to without being exactly like it. Ooh, when I look up in the camera, it's more vivid than it is as I'm sitting here looking at it. Oh, well. Oh, well. Maybe just do some more of that pretty blue, just as some more mark making. So I think I'm going to let this dry, and then we will come mark make on top of that and see what we can end up with. So I will be right back. All right, that's mostly dry. And I've just got some Neo Color 2 pastels out to maybe just add some other just lines in here. Just pulled out that gold one and like a green, just as some layers. Got my Blackwing matte pencil, which I like. And I think I'm just going to maybe do some mark making. Kind of keeping with the oval-ish idea there, basically. It's kind of what I was thinking. I think that gold might be a tiny bit wet that I just stuck my finger in. Okay, I like that. I also pulled out some tempera stick in this color. Let's pull out one of my little sample pages and take a look. Oh yeah, okay, I'm feeling like it might pull in this kind of reddish shade if I do it like something like right in the middle. And I don't seal these after the fact with a fixative. They dry by themselves. They dry just fine. And these dry pretty fast. So you can basically use these and then go right on top of them with something else. Okay, I like that. I like it. And I'm thinking maybe a little gold possibly. Do we need some gold? A little gold. A little shiny shiny. And then I usually get this started on a little piece of paper. There we go. And I want it to just be some lovely lines in there. I didn't want anything specific really. Just an extra shimmer out there. It's kind of what I was thinking. And then we might do some, maybe a little few white dots, and then I feel like we are there. Just kind of get them started on a little piece of paper there. Ooh, okay, I like that. I feel like I'm there for today. Let's see what we ended up with, and then we'll see how it works with the one beside it. And I'll hope all that gold is dry so I don't do something weird, like stick my hand in it. And this is gonna pull the paper because this is hot press. So let's hit that with the heat gun. Oh yeah, see, heat gun makes a lot of difference when your tape is going to pull that paper. So if you have trouble pulling tape on whatever your paper is, and usually it's pulp papers or hot press that does it on mine, then definitely pull out the craft heat tool. Heat that tape up and it will release that adhesive. Alright, there we go. Now that we got the tape peeled, I'm loving it. I love it. Ooh, and it looks kind of pretty next to the piece next to it. So I'm happy with those pages. Oh my gosh. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Painting just a little abstract in our art journal. And I'll see you guys next time.